Thought I'd do a quick review on this hand pull beer, right, which is the Marston's bitter, and it's, as you can see, it's looking nice and clear now. It's quite good actually. It's quite earthy, and on the nose anyway, it's got nice maltiness as well, like a kind of sweet maltiness. Now, I changed you've got the check valve basically in the beer engine. I think I've changed that now, and it's made a remarkable difference to the taste that I get through my beer engine. Maybe there was something in that. I have been running purple beer line cleaner stuff through my beer engine just to keep it in tip top, but yeah. It's best when it's got a bit of temperature to it. When it's really cold, it's quite metallic-y, which is strange because the water profile isn't actually that bad. It's not like buttonized or anything like that, it's actually quite low level. But when it's warmed up, it's really fruity kind of thing, so it is nice. It's not particularly like super amazing beer or anything like that. It's just pure bog standard bitter, and it definitely tastes a lot better when it's warmed up. Yeah, real earthy woody notes sort of thing coming from it, with the Fuggles and EKG, and the malt bill with the chocolate and just pale malt gives it that kind of slight roasty sort of yeah, kind of character slight to it. So it's alright. It's nothing special. I wouldn't brew it again, I don't think. I would probably try, the best one I've ever done in the hand pull's been the 5 points best, so I'll probably need to give that a go again. I think that was all Fuggles. So interesting. This is looking good though. I think it is about to kick. It's pretty low level at the minute, it's pretty light, so I'll be hopefully brewing something soon. And it's Wednesday night, so pizza night, so we've got the pizza oven going. Get that warmed up and get some pizzas in and enjoy hopefully a couple more of these cask ales. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, catch you later, bye.